All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got something a little different for you as well. We're gonna change the oil in our Husqvarna Zero Turn mower. It's a Z248F 48-inch cut, and it's a Kawasaki motor. And we got the 2 quarts of oil and the new filter. We're gonna show you guys how to change the oil on that Zero Turn. There's not many videos out there on the internet on the 48-inch or really that are instructional step by step. It's a pretty common sense on how to change the oil, but some people just don't know, and this will be helpful for them. So we're going to show you today how we change the oil on the Z248F Zero Turn Husqvarna mower Kawasaki engine. Stick with us. All right, here she is. This is a 2018 Husqvarna Z248F Zero Turn mower. It's got the fabricated deck on it, so it's a really heavy steel deck, and it does have the Kawasaki motor on it. So we're gonna show you how we change the oil on this bad boy today, and we'll probably end up cutting the yard for the first time. It's pretty green and it's looking nice. So we'll cut the lawn maybe later today after it dries up. It's been raining for the last couple days, but we're gonna get this oil changed in here. I usually do it in the fall, but I got carried away doing other stuff last year. So it's the spring now. Before our first mow, we are gonna get it changed. So stick with us and we'll show you how we change the oil in the Z248F Husqvarna Zero Turn mower. All right, the first thing you're gonna wanna do is, I don't know if you can see that, I'll get it up here so you guys can, is the oil plug right here. I put a pair of vice grips on it so when I turn this, it doesn't spin on me. It's just a hose and it's loose, so on the back side of it. So you're gonna need an 11/16 wrench, socket, whatever you got to loosen this up and then start draining the oil. So that's the first step, is we'll get this oil draining from there. All right, we'll let that drain and we'll check back in. All right, now for this Kawasaki engine, I'm using 10W30 4-cycle engine oil. Now you use 2 quarts of this, and for the filter, this is an oil filter 49065-721, and it replaces the 49065 through 7007. So now there is different filters for different model engines, but this is the one I got when I got my machine, so I kept the old one, wrote it down what I needed. So this is the one I need for the Z248F. Your Kawasaki engine for your Husqvarna may differ. All right, the next step is gonna be changing the filter. You're gonna wanna get some rags and throw them down here because it's kind of a poor design. And get it under there so you're not getting all the oil coming from the filter on there. Then you got a filter wrench, which I got, or you can use whatever you got for taking filters off. And inch it slowly off. And now we'll let that, we'll clean this mess up here, and we'll show you how we get the new filter on there, put the plug back in here, and basically add the oil and you're done. All right, we got our new filter here. We're gonna add a little oil inside of it. And then we're gonna take it and get this gasket on the top wet with the oil so it seals up and don't dry rot. And you're gonna stick the new filter on get it hand tight. And pull your rag out of there. Then we'll get our filter wrench here and snug it right up. All right, now the next step is we're gonna take our plug for our oil, we're gonna put it back in. We'll tighten that back up. Let's get our pair of vice grips back on there. All right, now the last step is just to add the oil. So we'll check back in. All right, now we're gonna add our 2 quarts of oil. All right, then you're gonna put your dipstick back in, turn it and unturn it. And as you can see, it's past the full mark. So she is full and ready to go for another season. That's how you change the oil on a Husqvarna Z248F Kawasaki engine zero turn mower. If you like what you see, stick around for more videos on this kind of stuff and overseeding, lawn mowing, moss removal, all sorts of outdoor food plotting here in the next couple weeks, and lots of fireworks videos as we continue on towards the 4th of July. So please like and share these videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Leave us a comment. Even if it's crappy, we like to hear from you. So we'll see you guys on the next go around, and thanks for tuning in.